Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So a couple months ago I already had another tutorial explaining how to use playlist supply and how to find contact information of the Spotify playlist owners. So now there are new features of the platform such as a new interface and also a YouTube real-time playlist search function, which I'm gonna show you today. And before that, if you like to make a very fast recap of the first video, I'm also gonna put a card to the description if you want to watch it in more detail. So let's log into the platform and let's do some quick recap. So this is the new interface of the playlist supply, and now we can see the YouTube playlist button in here. We will get to that in a second after a quick recap. So basically this platform is an AI search tool. It searches in Spotify real time and find the results. You can search a genre, mood, activity, an artist, a DJ, even some festival name, So let's search for Tomorrowland, for example. And I like to find email addresses of playlists that contains Tomorrowland in the name or in the description. So this platform is going to search real time over all of the Spotify. And now we got the search results. So as you see, we got tons of playlists and we can see the email addresses, how to send your music to this playlist, and we can see how many tracks there, how many followers there. So we got incredibly valuable information there. And for example, we can extract this as an Excel file or even just like a PDF, You see like all the information we can just download with one click. You can create your own custom playlists, Excel sheets. You don't need to search every time. You can just get the information from here and extract it. And other than that, for example, let's say this playlist, we got the email addresses already, by the way. Let's say we like to save this to our database for monitoring the playlist, Then we can just go to my playlist database in here. And in here, you can see the playlist that you save. So the last one is the one I just saved. And if you like, even you can click a health check. So when you do health check, it reduces from the credits. Health check is something like that. If this playlist is legit or not, because when you send your track to the curator of this, they might ask you some money, right? So now with this health check, you will know if this playlist is worth to spend your money on or not. And also you see the activity in here. This one says low, which means the new tracks are added a little bit slow to this playlist. If the activity was high, we would know that like there will be constant new tracks are adding and removing. So that will be more active playlist. And also we see that the score is 20%. So which means this playlist not gonna bring much of the streams. So now you know if this worth your money or not. And there's a history knob and you can click here. It's gonna reduce a credit from you. So with this history section, you can see that how many followers they have. If they gain followers too fast, if it's too fast, it's probably bot, or if it's gradually like slow like this, which means it's organic. So as I see that 30,000 followers this playlist has, they are not looking like bots. It looks organic, but it doesn't give you much of the streams. Hey guys, this is an amazing tool, worth to check it out. Again, like the full video, I'm gonna put a link to the description. You can watch how to use this tool in more detail. Today we will talk about the YouTube playlist section. Let's go back to the main page of the platform. So we can again search for genre, mood, activity, whatever we like it. So I'm gonna search for like tech house. Okay, let's search and it's gonna find us the tech house playlist. This is a real-time search on YouTube again, and we start to get results. And the good thing, you can see like how many videos in this playlist and how many views of these videos get from this playlist. This is incredibly valuable information. And again, we see the contact information of the playlist owners. So for example, let's go to this playlist. It's a mid playlist, like 188 tracks, so many tracks there already. And they got almost like 7,000 views. That's the playlist. We can see that in here if you'd like to check it out. And then, for example, we click to the playlist. So let me get one more, I don't know, maybe this one. It generated 18K streams. Both of them has the contact information. The search is still going on, by the way. So I like to save to my playlist database. And if we go to my playlist database and go to YouTube playlist, and now we can see that's the added playlist in here. So if you like them to put your music, you can just email these addresses, pitch your track directly to the owner of the playlist. So let's go back to search tool and maybe this time we can search Melodic Techno playlist. Just in seconds, we are starting to get the results. So guys, that's totally awesome. For example, this one, Melodic Techno Radio Intense, 132 tracks only. it generated 26,000 streams. So now I just discovered a radio, and if I make a Melodic Techno, I know where to send my track to. And we have the contact information again, so let's switch this one and let me get this one. I'm aiming for the playlist that gives more streams. So for the Melodic Techno, we got tons of results already. And let me get one more. And let's get this one. And let me save them to my playlist database. And let's go to my playlist database. And now we got our list in here. So also you can, again, just like the previous one, export this whole information, just like in a PDF or an Excel sheet. So you don't need to search again all the time. It's awesome. You got all the information that you need. So guys, yeah, this is how to use playlist supply. And maybe lastly, I can show you one more feature that I really enjoyed, which is not a new feature, but let's do another recap for this one, which is organic search, This organic search is like, when you go to the Spotify and go to your favorite artist, in the bottom, you will see a discovered on section. So which means this artist is generating tons of streams of that playlist you see on the discovered on. And that playlist is the playlist you should aim. When you release your music, that's the best playlist that's suitable to your music. So I'm going to search for my name and let's see which playlist I'm generating streams from. You see the results are coming. So this hard techno rave, this playlist is one of the best. 92 tracks only, and you see like 200,000 followers already. And even some of the playlists you can see where to submit your music. Those are the top playlists you should aim if you are making similar music to this artist, like in this case, me. And again, you can see the contact information of some of them. So hey guys, today I showed you how to use playlist supply. We did a quick recap. We also take a look how to find YouTube playlists and playlist curators to send your music directly to them, start generating streams. If you have any questions regarding the playlist supply, you can just contact their support. They have a nice support that will help you whatever question you have. So today that was it guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.